Hi everyone, it's Sarah from gmailfiend. First of all, thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below or check our channel for more videos like this. Okay, so for today's video, I'll be showing you how to report or unsubscribe to mass emails. These emails are usually spam emails, so I'll be teaching you how to get rid of them. So first, of course, you log into your Google Mail account. Then, like for example, here the promotions, because this one has a lot of emails because it basically promotes their company or their website. However, I want to remove them completely by unsubscribing to their promotions. So this is what I'll be doing. So the first thing that you need to do is select, of course, but here I'll try to select all mails from Alaric Heck. So I'll find all mails from him. Then select all, and then what you're gonna be doing is click this exclamation button, and then it will report this as spam, and you will unsubscribe to the email or the similar messages from that specific person. You can also choose whether to report it as spam and unsubscribe or just report it as spam. However, you can also choose to just unsubscribe to it. So what you're going to do is click the final email and then click this unsubscribe button in the right part of the email from the sender. So that's basically it on how you can report and unsubscribe to mass emails. You can also select from different sender, like for example, this one is different from this one, and then just click this there and it will automatically unsubscribe or report spam both the sender. Okay, so that's it. We hope you like this video. If you do, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next video. Bye!